Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So with Christmas right around the corner and all the Black Friday deals going on this week, I thought it would be a perfect idea to start a holiday gift guide, and this one specifically is going to be for her. So for all the women in your guys' lives, I hope this helps you guys out, and if it does, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so I got my tea, I got my list. I'm going to start off with least expensive to most expensive, kind of. I'm just going to categorize it by what I think is cheaper, more affordable, and then a little more expensive. If you're willing to splurge, that's for you. So that'll be later on in the video. Okay, so every woman loves candles, specifically Bath and Body Works. I don't know one person that doesn't love Bath and Body Works 3-wick candles or the single wick. This is a perfect gift idea. And with Bath & Body Works Black Friday deals around the corner, they have the buy 3 get 3 free. They always have buy 1 get 1 free. They're always randomly sending coupons. So I think this is an amazing gift and it's super inexpensive. So my next gift idea is a pair of shoes. Anywhere from sneakers to heels to sandals. Women love shoes, and I totally recommend sneakers 100%. You can't go wrong with sneakers, even though we're not going anywhere right now. A pair of Nikes, a pair of Adidas, perfect. If the woman in your life is a makeup lover like I am, I would love either a gift card to Sephora or Ulta, or makeup in general. Sephora and Ulta, Macy's, everywhere have cute holiday gift sets right now, and they're usually super inexpensive. Even if they're minis, they're such a good deal and perfect idea for a Christmas gift. My next idea is a phone case. Super practical, such an easy gift to get. Run to your local Target, find a cute Kate Spade phone case or just a regular cute silicone phone case, and it'd be perfect. You guys can't go wrong with buying women coffee mugs. Whether they use them for tea like I do sometimes, or actually for coffee, hot or cold. I love collecting coffee mugs. This one's from Target and it says Queen of Everything because duh. I love this so much. I collect coffee mugs, so this is usually a perfect gift idea for me. And a cute idea would be a coffee mug with a bunch of little like stocking stuffers stuffed into it and like wrapped up. Cute gift idea. If you do that, let me know. Next idea would probably be one of my favorites to receive, jewelry. Pandora has a 35% off deal every single Friday. I don't know why I'm the pen. Pandora has a 35% off deal every Friday this month, and because it's obviously geared towards Black Friday, I'm pretty sure Black Friday is going to be the last day, and then they'll probably have Cyber Monday, but 35% off anything at Pandora is amazing. Macy's is probably going to have huge deals. Target jewelry is amazing. I always wear Target jewelry, so jewelry is an awesome gift. So my next idea would probably be perfume. I love perfume. I love collecting perfume. I love to smell good. So if you know the lady you're shopping for loves perfume, this is a great one. Maybe even restock her on one of her favorites, or buy her something new that she wouldn't buy herself. That's what I usually do for my mom. She usually likes to stock up on her Chanel or Dior perfume, but I'll usually buy her something that she normally wouldn't buy herself, and she loves it. So one of my favorite gifts as well, I love being cozy and warm in the wintertime, especially where I live. It gets super cold around the holidays. So a robe would be a perfect idea. I know Target has some amazing ones. You can find probably robes anywhere you go, super inexpensive. And if they're fluffy and warm and comfortable, your girl would love them. Another great gift idea that also saved my hair this year is the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer. I'm going to leave all the links down below, as well as everything else that I've mentioned. I'll find similar items and some cute stuff that I think would be a great gift and link them down below in the description. But yeah, the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer, perfect lifesaver, cuts down hair time in like 15 minutes. So I think any lady in your life would love this. Another great gift idea for the ladies in your life that love skincare would be the Vanity Planet cleansing brush. I love the brush so much. It saved my skin this year. It comes with 3 different heads and then the actual brush. It's perfect, and it's usually like half off. I know Vanity Planet runs huge sales throughout the year, and especially for Black Friday, so I'll also link that down below so you guys can check it out. Another thing everyone loves are gift cards. So whether it's to Target, which every lady loves Target, whether it's for cleaning supplies, makeup, beauty stuff, everyone loves Target. Whether it's for Sephora, whether it's for Ulta, her favorite clothing store, Express, like Zara, stuff like that would be perfect. Gift cards, you can never go wrong. Getting into a little more pricier items, a purse would be amazing. I know that's what I have on my list this year. I need a new black bag. So whether it's something from Target or Macy's or something from Louis Vuitton or Gucci, like every woman loves collecting purses, loves their purses for every occasion. So this would be a perfect gift. And I will link some of my favorites down below and you guys can check them out. So everyone needs a good pair of headphones in their lives. I love my AirPods. I mean, I've had them for a good 2 years and they haven't gone bad on me, and they were the first ones that came out. AirPods are a great gift. I know Beats by Dre are amazing, whether they're the wireless ones or the ones that go over your ear, the noise canceling. And then I know Bose speakers, Bose headphones are great as well. And then going along with the headphones, AirPods, an AirPods case would be perfect. They're super cute, super trendy. Target sells them, Amazon sells them. Amazing to get along with the AirPods. Going along with the shoes that I said earlier, a pair of Uggs would be great. Everyone loves Uggs. They're super comfortable. They last so long. They have the cutest slippers. They have the cutest boots. So get to know like what vibe the lady you're shopping for likes and see what she's into. Maybe drop some hints and then go from there. I wanted to add too, usually Uggs has a Black Friday sale, or whether you're shopping at Nordstrom or something, they usually match the price and reduce the price overall. So keep an eye out on all the deals and discounts from different stores. So something that I am eyeing this year, which is a little pricier, is the Dyson Airwrap Styler Kit. Specifically for the holidays, they came out with a big kit full of the blow dryer, I believe, curling iron, straightening iron set, and like a bunch of different brushes, which I think is amazing. I mean, it runs for about like $500-600, so it is a splurge, but if your girl is into doing her hair a lot and switching it up, I think this would be perfect. I keep saying this about everything, but another thing that's on my Christmas list this year is an iPad. I personally want an iPad for school. I know a lot of people use them for school, for work, keeping yourself organized, shopping. I think it's amazing. They're great to carry everywhere. And yes, they are a little pricier, but keep an eye out for Best Buy deals or Apple deals. I know Best Buy usually has great deals on the iPad, or even Costco, places like that. They usually run them for a little cheaper. And I just think this would be an amazing gift. Everyone loves their electronics and we can't live without them, so I think that'd be perfect. Going along with the iPad, an iPad pen. I think they're so sweet. I love to write my notes and I love to be creative, so an iPad pen would be perfect for people like that. I just think it's an amazing gift. Yes, they're a little pricier, but together, it'd make your girl happy. Going along with Apple products, an Apple Watch. I think those are super practical. They usually run for about like, depending on which series you get, I mean, you will probably spend a little more if it's newer, but I know they have the Apple Watch SE for a cheaper price, usually for around like $230, $250, and I think Apple Watches are an amazing gift. They have like the rose gold, the white, the black, super practical, and I just think Apple Watches are a perfect gift. So last but not least, another great gift idea I love to give and I also love to receive myself are anything from Lululemon. I love Lululemon clothes, their athletic wear, their lounge wear. I love anything from Lululemon. Their clothes last super long. They're so comfortable. You cannot go wrong with getting the woman in your life Lululemon. I know for a fact anyone would be happy. Whether it's leggings or their hoodies, sweatshirts, zip-ups, t-shirts, amazing quality and a great gift idea. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. That wraps up my holiday gift guide for her. If you guys take any of these gifts into consideration, let me know. And I'm also thinking about doing a holiday gift guide for him. So for all the men in your lives, let me know if that sounds interesting. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.